take up, goes straight up there, I think. That's a lot of steps. Check that out. A quick map to kick this video off. We're on the island of Syros, which as you can see is to the left of the better known island of Mykonos, and we got here from Naxos. Today we're exploring the old town of Ermoupoli. Good morning. We've taken the bus into Ermoupoli today. Ermoupoli, I think that's right, or Ermoupoli. Right, we're walking up to Ano Syros, or Ano Syros, which is the old town. I almost guarantee it's up those steps, but we'll check. Got to check the map. Steps it is. So you can take a bus up to the old town. But the map said it was only 1.5k, so we're going to walk at this stage. It's obviously not walked very often on this route, it's full of weeds. Oh good, that's the end of the steps. It's going to get very hot very quickly otherwise. We caught a glimpse of the church and it's up to our right, but Ano Syros is to our left, so now we're not sure that the church that we're thinking is in that spot is in that spot. Might be two different churches. Anyway, we'll figure it out. It's a pleasant kind of walk in the shade here. Much nicer looking street now. Right, we checked the map. There's two different churches that we're seeing. So up there there's one castle-like church on top of the hill, and then up there there's another one. So it was the one on the right that we were thinking we were heading towards, but we're actually navigating to that one up there on the left. So decision time. Okay, it's all of a sudden got very steep. Surprise, surprise. More steps. Right, we're not trusting Google now, we're following the signs instead. I think Google was taking us up the road. Just stopping to show you a pretty little side street on the way up. Ooh. There's a quick glimpse at where we've come from down there. Started off down near the port, but to the left of where you can see. And we're not at the top yet. Good morning again, says the rooster. Well, if nothing else, we've got a good view across to the old town. And behind me is the other church. We'll go and have a look at that in a minute. Well, there he is. You gonna give us one for the camera, mate? No? No, he doesn't perform on demand. Bit of tree pruning going on this morning. cruise ship in port. So you can see the Sea Jets ferry, that's where we came in. There's another church down to the left there that we've got to go check out. I think there's a nice walkway there. Right, one church ticked off. We're on our way to the other one now. That was quite cool back there. We met Dave and Shelley from the Hawke's Bay in New Zealand. They're doing a cruise tour. Stopped here for the day. They just walked up from the cruise ship down there. Had a good chat to them, that was cool. So just down there is the bridge, that's the street we've got to take up. Goes straight up there, I think. Well, Game of Thrones wanted steps that could have come to this city. That's a lot of steps. We're still not quite at the top yet. We stopped at a church and it's a day for meeting people. We met Mark and his wife, who are Canadian, and they're from New Brunswick. But he said his brother lives in Richmond, New Zealand. Turns out he lives around the corner from us, like the next street round. Oh, I think we're lost now. Oh, maybe not. Well, got a good view anyway. Haven't found the entrance to the church, but check that out. So on that left-hand hill there, that's the church we were at just before. Wow, that's a good view. Got to carry on up. Time to head back down. So we've met four people from New Zealand, two at the other church, two at this church. People at this one were from Auckland. And we've met two people from Canada. Real social day. Certainly a bit of a rabbit warrant. We're going down the same way we came up, or at least we're trying to. We seem to be on track so far. This is the first church of three, technically second of four that we stopped at. It's just as far down as it is to go up. It's still only about halfway down. Bit of a vacant land area here. You can see, I think there are three different church towers that we were at.